Most firms have more visibility into their workflow than ever before. Status dashboards, project management tools, color-coded trackers showing you exactly where the return sits at any given moment. And yet tax prep still feels like it could tip at any moment. You can see exactly where things are backing up, like watching traffic slow to a stop on the highway. You just can't figure out what's causing it. Returns get stuck. Deadlines that looked manageable on Monday feel precarious by Thursday. At the worst possible moment, you realize documents are missing. So if you can see everything, why does it still feel like something's always about to slip? Visibility tells you what's happening, but it doesn't tell you why, and it definitely doesn't fix it. Knowing a return has been stuck for 4 days doesn't move it forward. Seeing a document is missing doesn't tell you where it went. The dashboard shows you the symptom, not the cause. And most of the time, the cause started way earlier than you think. Most prep and review problems don't actually start during the prep and review. They start at intake, at engagement. At the moment where documents were collected without a consistent structure to land in. By the time the return reaches a preparer, the damage is already done. 3 things causes most of the breakdown. The handoff that loses context. A preparer finishes their work and passes the return to a reviewer, but the context doesn't go with it. Why was this position taken? Where's the supporting document? The reviewer either has to track down the preparer, and that adds delay, or make assumptions, and that adds risk. The missing document that stops everything. One W-2, one K-1, the return sits idle waiting for a response. Other work fills in around it. By the time the document arrives, the preparer has to re-engage with a return they're no longer in the flow of. 2 days becomes 10. The version problem nobody catches until it's late. The client sends an updated document. The preparer saved the new version somewhere. The reviewer was working from the original. Now what should have been a clean review turns into an investigation. None of these are people problems. They're system problems, specifically a workflow that was never designed to carry context forward. Real clarity isn't better monitoring. It's a workflow designed so that missing context, lost documents, and version confusion doesn't happen in the first place. That's the difference between visibility and clarity. Our full blog post goes deeper on what this actually looks like in practice. Link is in the caption.